All right, let's take a look at this problem. The question asks which of any of the following mixtures could be a buffer system. Now, in order for there to be a buffer system, we need a weak acid and its conjugate base. If we have a weak acid and its conjugate base, it could be a buffer. It may or may not be, depending on the concentrations, but it could be. So we're going to ask ourselves in each of these situations, what's in the beaker? Here's a representation of what's in each beaker. We want to consider what's in the beaker and what's in the beaker that could react with something else that's in the beaker. All right, in this first beaker, there's nothing in there that can serve as a buffer. Same with the second beaker. Now, the third beaker, if we look at this, we might be tempted to think that it's going to be a buffer. We look carefully at the entities that are in that solution. And what we see is that these species differ by 2 H plus ions. And there's no reasonable interpretation for how this could really be a buffer. And the same is true for the final solution. Okay, so none of these is going to be a buffer solution.